Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It is a fact. Let me not begin by telling wrong things. Let me begin by telling you that speculations were right. A lot of speculations were going on. A lot of parties, a lot of people approached me with a lot of issues how to go about what to do. I met a lot of people these days. We have taken opinion from a lot of people. And right loka man muge opinion voice kon difference of opinion pasun loka ko ulay. Party kode ulay. Amge kiti issues ahe the. Larger picture madalo going kids जावपाक जाय today. Amge issue, for example, see the state of the law situation in Goa. What Goa going to become? All these issues, मुगे constituency कितको जावपाक जाय. ये सब issues हम party कोडे उलेले. Right up to Mr. Rahul Gandhi to the General Secretary Dinesh Gundurao. After coming to an opinion from everybody, we have decided what the people want. लोका जाय कि आमी सगळ्यांनी unitedly BJP fight करपाचे. So आमगे एक पॉइंट हा आणि सदा स्पेक्युलेशन्स म्हणजे सदा हा आजीना म्हणजे स्पेक्युलेशन्स but in the interest of the people, in the interest of the Go, I have taken a decision over it is not I, it is we have taken a decision to fight the BJP. So we are very clear. In few words I would like to say that we are all united to fight against the BJP as a Congress party, and the aspirations of the people are लोकांची एक मत हा की सगळ्यांनी युनाइटेडली फाइट करपाचे. So I call upon people also that let's unitedly fight the BJP. Let there be no difference of opinion. म्हणजे BJP को झगडपाक आमी काय हे दाखयनासतना डिफरन्स दाखयनासतना BJP को झगडपाक आमगेले हे मत जातले मत
एक क्लॅरिफाय केले की वी आर एक मेसेज अख्ख्या गोंयकारांक की वी आर युनायटेड. We will fight the BJP government. We will fight the BJP party unitedly. There is no कोणेच दुबाव दवरचो न्ही. कारण रेजिनाल्डाचें contribution nobody can deny. रेजिनाल्डाचें contribution for the party, for the development of Goa, for the injustice against the people. तो कोणाचेर injustice जाल्यार तो म्हणजे धांवून वचून थंय मदीं वचून रावपी बोवाळ करपी ही ताची ख्याती आसा. म्हणजे तशें सारकें ताका डेरिंग आसा आणि तो खंयच्या वेळाचेर कोणाय उलो मारल्यार तो पावपी अशी ताची ख्याती आसा. आणि म्हणून आयच्या दिसा आमी एक मेसेज अख्ख्या गोंयकारांक दिता की रेजिनाल्ड वील प्ले ए इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन द इयर्स टू कम. ह्या बद्दल कोणेच दुबाव दवरचो न्ही कारण रेजिनाल्डाचें काम स्पीक्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ.
That Reginald is going to play a bigger role in the days to come. It's not just during this remaining 3-4 months, but once we are in power, 2022, we are forming the government with the blessings and the support of the people of Goa. And in that context, because he is the most senior MLA, senior leader who has contributed to the party a lot. So there he is going to play a major role.
Will he be the face of party in Goa? Will he be?
He is already the face of party in Goa.
So CM face.
He is already face. CM face we don't declare. We don't declare the chief minister. We are not like a BJP project because it is the right of the elected MLAs. And the elected MLAs will take a decision about the chief minister.